YouTube TV buffering. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix YouTube TV buffering. So let's get started. If your YouTube TV just keeps on buffering and does not load, so there could be some error. The error could be due to internet connection. So how can you fix that to make sure your internet connection is working? In order to ensure that, check if your internet connectivity is available. The second thing that you can try is connecting another internet connection. Other than that, try different internet connection, and if you have done that and it still does not work, you have to make sure if your YouTube TV is available in your region. Currently, YouTube TV is only available in USA. If you have to make sure if you live in USA. So the third thing that you can try is closing and reopening the application. If that thing does not work, just try it. Turn off the device and turn it on. This thing might help. If this thing does not help, you might have to reset your whole TV settings. In order to do that, just make sure if YouTube TV is updated or not. After doing or checking all of these things, your problem should be gone. That's all. That's how you will be able to fix YouTube buffering issue.